Okay, in this segment, or this particular assignment, what we're doing is dividing up our sketchbook into 4 squares on one page, and in the center, okay, where these lines cross, we're going to have 4 arrows, and these arrows are going to point in the opposite directions in each box. So they go from, let's say, the bottom right to the top left, or the bottom left to the top right. They're always pointing opposites. In each box, we're going to draw the exact same profile of a truck. The truck's going to go the same direction each time, as if we used a rubber stamp to stamp out 4 of the exact same item. And the purpose of this is to underscore what happens when we choose different directions for our depth or diagonal line in an isometric drawing. So you'll see it come to life right in front of you. Remember to look at the 4 arrows, because they will tell you which direction the diagonals must go in each box. Even though the item is the exact same, the direction will be different, and what that will do is give you a totally different view of that item. We'll get 4 different views of the same vehicle. And you'll find that as you watch it a couple times, there are some parts of the truck that won't get drawn the next time and some parts that will. So some of the drawings seem a little more complex and some seem a little easier. That's because it is. Some of them require more lines, some of them require more details because of the direction that you have chosen to show your reader or your audience. Now, I've also gone back and I've drawn 4 squares just to reiterate, what happens when we make that choice to go in a particular direction with our diagonals. So what I'd like you guys to do is watch this a few times. You're going to make your own choice about the vehicle that you choose to put in here, and then you'll go through the motions of picking your directions.